I finally bit the bullet and decided not to do the stage 1 kit, but just to change the mufflers. I've had the bike probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 months now, and decided it was about time to get a little bit of a note happening. Nothing too loud. I wasn't sure what type of pipes to get. However, I did come across at my local Harley shop a brand from the USA called Two Brothers Racing, and I rather liked them. They sound fairly deep and throaty without too much bark. So that's what I'm about to do today, and that's what I'm going to fit to the Ultra. So I've got the Ultra up on the hoist. I've taken off the saddlebags here. I've placed them over there, and really it's just as a simple matter of undoing a couple of bolts here, a flange over the front here, pull them off and slip them on. So I'll get back to you shortly. So here's the mufflers here. The Two Brothers Racing. I had a bit of a choice. I could have got some with the carbon fibre tips, but I elected not to do that. So I like the big anodised black ends on them. They actually sound a little bit throatier. So I'll just bring them over to the camera here. So there you can see, there's the end there. Should sound alright, going almost straight through. We've got the Two Brothers Racing decal on the edge there. Nicely chromed. Should work a treat, I'm hoping. Okay, I've just undone the 2 bolts here. I've undone the flange. This was 1/2 inch, and this was 15mm metric under there. So I just wiggled the pipe off. That's the fatter end of the 2 mufflers I've got over there. That come off. It probably took me about 5 minutes of wiggling. I put some CRC on the ends here just to wiggle it off, and some CRC or WD-40 just on this flange here. So now I can take that flange off. That'll go on the new one, and keep this in case I ever get pulled over, I guess. Alright, back to you shortly. Well, that was an effort. That was a real effort. What I had to do in the end, there was about 1 inch out and I couldn't get the pipe in enough. So what I did, I just put a bit of cloth over the edge here. I used this bit of an old wine rack piece of wood there. I sat the wood just there on the edge of this lip, and with a rubber mallet, with this rubber mallet here, I just gently knocked the wood onto this lip here and pushed it in. That took me about 25 minutes. Well, g'day, welcome back. Okay, this is the left hand side. I've got that one on there now. This one slipped straight on with no problems at all. In fact, it slipped on that easy. That actually a little scratch there where it hit the cover. You probably can't, you might just see that, and I'll just focus that. Yeah, but you're not going to notice that when the bags are on anyway, so I'm not too fussed about that. But yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I'll just move around to the other side. So there we are. From the back. Doesn't look too bad. Just out of curiosity, the standard pipe, which I took off there. You can't see any daylight whatsoever through those. It's black as a black dog, that one. But like I said, these ones here, you can see daylight through. So the next step, I'll chuck the saddlebags on, and I'll kick it in the guts and we'll see what she sounds like. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I've just taken it off the ramp. They look pretty good. I'm going to start her up and see how she sounds. Well, that sounds much better. Okay, so there you have it, guys. PBR, sorry, Two Brothers Racing, handcrafted exhaust system made in USA, so you know you're getting some good shit.